Hey guys, how are you guys doing today? We are removing this bad boy today. Look, it has been here for like 7 days. It's glued to my hair, like you can see the glue coming out. And I'm tired of it. It makes me so hot. I hope you guys are good because I'm chilling. But I'm still thinking how to remove this because I've not actually had glued frontals before. I normally have glueless, or maybe if I want to install one, I use a spray gun, but I have not actually used glue. So I don't know how to do this. But I went online, I love researching, and I found out I can actually use hand sanitizer with water, or you can use oil. So I have all of the varieties here, so I'm going to use all of them. I have my spray bottle and I have hand sanitizer. I'm actually going to pour water inside. My water is here. You got this Cosmo hand sanitizer. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Massage, massage, massage. I look like crap. Okay, I think it's coming out. Oh, it's coming out. It's coming out. It's coming. Ah, shit. I think the thing is helping it melt. Ooh. It's actually coming out. Say hello to my giant forehead. It's coming. It's coming. My giant forehead is coming. It's coming. This is actually melting it so easily. I had no idea. I actually thought I was going to use oil, but there's no need for oil in this matter. It's actually out. Are you fucking for real? It's out. It's out. It's out. Everything is actually out. I love this hair. I love the color, but look at the residue. Just know that water and hand sanitizer can actually take out your glue. It's actually bringing it out, so that I'm not focused to do it. I don't have that patience, but when I'm dating, I'll take them out. I decided to take them out with oil. I think I got them all. Yes. I'm trying to remove this gums from the hair. Gum, literally, it's everywhere. That's the gum that came out of my hair. This one.